Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about iPhone battery drain after iOS 26 update. Let's start this video. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection working properly. After this, go back, tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. After this, go back, tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. After this, go back, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. After this, tap on content and privacy restrictions and always turn off this. Now go back, tap on privacy and security. After this, tap on location services and always turn off this. Now go back and restart your mobile phone and try again. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again. Here tap on battery. After this, turn off low power mode. Tap on general. Here tap on background app refresh. After this, turn off this. Now go back and turn on low power mode again and try again. Hopefully your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.